Hello everybody and welcome back, or it's the first time to my channel, then welcome. So today's video, you guys, it's going to be a really fun one because it is in collaboration with probably one of my favorite people on the planet, Allana Davison. She is a great friend of mine here on YouTube and just in general in life, and we have partnered up on today's video with Maybelline. You guys know that I've worked a ton with Maybelline in the past and I always love working with them, so I'm so excited to be working with Maybelline and Allana in the same video. So Maybelline challenged Allana and I to go to the drugstore, go to the Maybelline section and pick out makeup not for ourselves but for each other, and it got really interesting. And as you could probably tell, there was no Allana Davison sitting next to me right now. So we actually had to FaceTime each other. And we are both also going to be incorporating the new Total Temptation line, which is a brand new line from Maybelline, into both of our looks. And the Total Temptation lineup includes this eyeshadow and highlight palette, which looks like this. There are 8 eyeshadows as well as 2 giant highlighters in here. Then we've got a brow definer pencil as well as my personal favorite, the new mascara. This mascara, you guys, I actually tried it out in my testing new makeup video. I've been using it a ton off camera. You guys know that I love the Maybelline Lash Sensational, and whenever Maybelline comes out with a new mascara, I always just, imagine that it's going to be just as good, if not better, than the Lash Sensational. I find that it gives my lashes like a really, really intense look. So we are going to be using it in today's look so you guys could see what it looks like. If you want to check out Allana's video, I will put a link to hers in the description box down below if you want to see what makeup I chose for her. So without further ado, I'm going to show you guys the clips that we shot when we went to the drugstore and we were actually choosing makeup. So let's get into it. Allana is going to tell me exactly what makeup products she wants me to use, and then I'm going to have to pick them up and use them. So she's going to be choosing my makeup. Oh my god! That is so funny. It's like a Jamie Inception. Let's start with what foundation should we get?
I want you to try the Dream Liquid Mousse.
The Dream Liquid Mousse? I've actually never tried that one.
The bottle looks so fun.
Dream Liquid Mousse. I got 20 Classic Ivory. I feel like that's probably a safe bet as far as shade goes. Are you happy with that?
Cool, it's the loose finishing powder.
Yeah, oh my god, that's amazing. My Maybelline doesn't have that. I have it at home though. I actually have it at home.
Okay, great. Well then, use that.
Okay, I'm gonna use the loose finishing powder, which they don't have here, but I do have at home. Contour Duo. Okay,
Yeah.
let me try and find it. Wait, I can't find this Contour Duo that you speak of. Know what I can use though? One of the darker foundation sticks.
Yeah. Okay, do that. How's about Buff Fit Me Blush?
Buff Fit Me Blush. What does it look like?
Buff.
What number is it? 10?
Yep.
Done. Got it.
Use hashtag nude.
Hashtag nude.
I'm gonna torture you right now.
You're gonna torture me right now?
Yeah. I want to see you this in action. I have faith in your abilities. 930 Truffle Teas.
930
From
Truffle
the
Teas
Buff.
from the Buffs. 930. I got it. I actually don't have this one, and these are my favorites. The Buffs are like so nice though. Like the nudes, they're.
Two Toast Lip Liner.
Which one? Toast?
Because your favorite thing is toast.
Is it?
Yes. Gigi Hadid, the bright and creamy concealer.
Wait, what does it look like?
It has Gigi Hadid's face next to it.
Okay, I'm gonna have to get that also at another pharmacy.
Oh my god. Killing me softly with your song.
So sorry.
I'm gonna pick that up for myself then. I want it.
No, I gotta tell you what to get.
But it's new.
Okay, fine. You can get that concealer.
And it'll make us look like Gigi Hadid.
There's no choice then in the matter. Put it in your cart immediately. So now that you saw the clips of Allana choosing my makeup for me, now it's time to actually put it on the face. So let's first start off with the foundation that she chose for me. This is the Maybelline Dream Mousse Liquid Poreless Perfection Foundation, and this one is in the shade 20 Classic Ivory. And I'm gonna pump a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm actually gonna take this foundation brush and I'm gonna use this to buff it into my skin. Now, I've never tried this foundation before, so I actually have no idea what to expect right now. This color actually matches me perfectly, which is a miracle. Look, you can't even tell the difference between my neck and my face. That's always a good sign. I swear, in all the videos that I do where other people choose my makeup, I think I've had like David choose my makeup, I've had you guys choose my makeup, and now Alana's choosing my makeup. I always find the best products and products that I literally use every single day. It's the weirdest thing. And this foundation is looking really, really awesome. It's covering up everything really nicely. It doesn't look heavy and it blended out super easily. Everything I could ask for in foundation. I'm pretty pleased with this. So moving on to concealer, I've got the Dream Brightening Creamy Concealer in the shade 10 Fair. This is the product that's supposed to make us look like Gigi Hadid. Will it? We will see. So it's this little like pencil, and I'm going to just draw this on my face where I want to highlight. I actually really, really like concealers that are in pencil forms. I don't know why, but I just find it very easy to apply and also just very satisfying to be able to just draw all over my face, especially when it comes to highlighting. Just makes it very, very precise. This color looks a little bit light, but that's okay. I'm gonna try and make it work. All right, I'm gonna take the same brush and sort of just pat this into my skin. Sometimes I feel like when my concealer is a little bit too light for me, I like to go in with the same either brush or tool, whatever I use that I use to apply my foundation, and I use that to blend it out. And that will darken it a little bit because there's a little bit of the foundation left over on the tool that I use, in this case the brush, and it sort of just helps it blend into the skin a little bit more. Now I'm going to set my face because it's looking a little bit shiny, and Allana did tell me to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Now they didn't have it in like the Maybelline stand in the drugstore that I was at, but I did have it at home, so I'm able to still use it. So I'm using the shade Light today, and I'm basically just gonna pounce this powder onto my face to set the makeup. So I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Shine Free and Balance foundation, and this one is in the shade 330 Toffee. Alana and I both came to the agreement that I would use this to bronze up my face today, and I'm pretty excited to try it out because I really do think that this is going to be like the perfect bronzer shade. So I'm going to just draw this on my face. Oh yeah, that color is amazing. I'm going to take my sponge and start to just blend that out. Look how good that looks. Oh my god. That is like such a nice little bronzer color. It's not too intense, but it's still very nice and bronzy. I was honestly a little bit nervous about this product because I don't ever really use foundations to bronze on my face. If I am gonna bronze on my face with a cream, I will use a bronzer, like a cream bronzer that's meant to use as bronzer. But I think the fact that this is a foundation actually works in its favor as a bronzer because it blends out so easily. Because normally products that are supposed to be foundations just blend a lot easier, and they're not as like hard as other cream products could sometimes be, and this just looks so nice. Sort of want to give my brows a little bit of a shape before I go in to actually do the eyes. So I'm going to take the Total Temptation Brow Definer. I'm going to use the shade 315 Deep Brown. Now this shade is like the most perfect shade for my hair color. It literally matches me perfectly. What I love most about this little brow definer is the little tiny spoolie. It's like the cutest thing ever. Normally spoolies are long and they look like this, but this spoolie is really short, and I never knew that I would want like a short spoolie like this, but now that I've been using it for a little bit, I really like it. I just like how precise it is. So I'm just going to very lightly fill in my brows with this product. Just going with small hair-like strokes. I don't want anything too crazy intense. And this brow pencil is pretty pigmented, so if you want more of a natural look, you just want to give like lighter pressure on the pencil. Just filled it in, now going in with the spoolie to sort of brush out the product and soften it a little bit. That's perfect. So eyebrows are now done, so now it's time to move on to the eyes. So for the eye products, let me just give you guys a little bit of a rundown of what we've got to work with today. So I have the Total Temptation Shadow and Highlight Palette. Alana chose the Maybelline eyeliner in the shade 410. This is one of their Kohl eyeliners. It's like a nice deep brown. And then Alana also tried to trip me up a little bit with this Maybelline Master Precise Ink Metallic Liquid Eyeliner in Solar Gold. And I think in her head, she thought that this was like a really intense, opaque, metallic gold color. But when I swatched it earlier, that is not what it is. It is actually way more of like a sparse gold top coat, which is actually really pretty, and I think will be pretty easy to incorporate into today's look. So I'm first gonna go into the light lilac shade right over here at the top of the palette. This is like a matte light purple. My first instinct with this palette was to go for these warm colors on the side over here. I'm trying to go against my instinct, guys. I could hear your voices in my head. Jamie, try something new, please. I'm doing it today. I'm trying something new. We're going with purples. Just putting this right above my crease just to help all the eyeshadows transition. Okay, I'm now going to go into the matte purple shade right over here on a smaller blending brush. And I'm going to apply this all over my crease. I was gonna say all over my lid, but that's not what I wanna do. Actually, maybe I do wanna do that. And this isn't really like too dark, so I think this would be actually really pretty just as a wash all over the lid. So you know what? We're gonna do that. So now I'm gonna go into this teeny tiny little blending brush and I'm gonna grab the black from the palette. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of this right on that outer corner of my eye. Like the tiniest amount. I just want like a little bit of definition there so that this isn't just like a one color eyeshadow look. Okay, so now I'm going to take probably my favorite eyeshadow in this palette, and that's this one right over here. It's like this silvery purple, has a ton of shimmer in it. And I'm gonna take this on my finger. It looks like that. And I'm just gonna put that all over my lid to add like a sheen and a little bit of sparkle. That is beautiful. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the brown eyeliner that Allana gave me and I'm just going to put this on my upper lash line just to define it a little bit. I like to keep it soft if that's what we're going for, but I always like to make sure that my eyes still look somewhat defined, and doing these like little tiny tricks by putting the little bit of shadow on the outer corner and also putting something very light, very close to the upper lashes, it's gonna give you that definition that you're looking for. So I'm now gonna grab the gold eyeliner that Allana gave me and I'm gonna put this on the inner corner of my eye to add like some shimmer there. And I always like pairing gold with purple. I think it's always like such a pretty combination. And I'm sort of just dabbing with the brush to make sure that it's like diffused and the glitter is like slightly dispersed so that it's not just like a glob sitting there, and that does the trick. Okay, so I am going to define my lower lash line just a little bit, just so it's not completely blank. So I'm going in with the same purple shade and I'm just going to run that underneath my lower lash line. And I'm going to go in with the smaller brush with the black and really just put that right up against my lashes. Okay, so now it's time to apply the mascara, which I think is really gonna be the star of this eye look. So this mascara, you guys, actually smells like coconuts, which is insane. I have never had a mascara that smells like coconuts, and now I want all of my mascara to smell like this because it's something that I never even knew that I wanted. So here's what the applicator looks like. It's a bristle brush, so it's very soft. And so I'm just going to basically apply this to my lashes for the next 5 minutes because I want something very intense since my eyeshadow's super not. So there you have it. That's what it looks like with the mascara applied. I really feel like mascara is always just like the cherry on top of the sundae because I feel like this look looked like okay up until I put the mascara on, and it just like took it to another level and finished it off. But you could see the mascara like really makes lashes look very like dense and full. Okay guys, it is time to finish off the face. So I'm going to go in with the blush, and for the blush we have the Fit Me in number 10, which looks like this. It's like a soft corally pink, and I'm going to take that on just a little powder brush and apply that to the apples of my cheeks. I feel like my face is just really lacking color right now, so I'm pretty excited to be putting this blush on. Oh yeah, that is so much better. And now for my highlighter, I'm gonna go back into the Total Temptation palette and I'm gonna take the pinky highlighter because I think that's gonna go with the vibe of our whole look today. And I'm just gonna pop that right on the tops of the cheekbones. That's pretty. So now it's time to finish off this whole look with the lip, and Allana chose Toast Lip Liner, which is a very pretty nude. And then for the lipstick, she chose Truffle Tease. And then that, my friends, finishes off the whole entire look. So guys, that's it for today's video. I'm pretty happy with the way that this look turned out. It's super soft, so I feel like it couldn't have really gone wrong, but I'm really digging it. I never really put like lilac all over my lid, and I feel like I sort of want to do this more because it just sort of like brightens the eyes and makes brown eyes pop. Yes. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it entertaining and maybe even a little bit helpful. Once again, thank you so much to Maybelline for partnering up with Allana and I. It was really, really fun to do today's video. So that's it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.